At Digiart Design Services, we offer a wide range of digital design solutions, including veneers. Using advanced CAD/CAM technology, we ensure precision, comfort, and a natural look that meets the highest standards of quality and aesthetics. Our process starts with integrating digital impressions to create accurate virtual models, followed by meticulous design and 3D visualization for quality assurance. We take pride in delivering innovative, reliable, and high-quality dental designs that exceed expectations.